Right, so I'm in London at the moment. I'm heading to Barbican. So to get there, you need to get the tube from here to King's Cross. Then from King's Cross, I'll get another tube heading to Barbican. Right, so let's continue this part of the vlog.
When using the stairs, please be careful, hold on to the handrail and do not rush.
Right, so just in King's Cross, what I'm heading to do now is I'm just finding my way to Barbican. I think I need to hop up to the next station heading to Barbican. Just trying to see if I could find this station, if the station is actually where I need to be, because I need to get to Barbican on time before my train to Bristol. So I'm just trying to get here to see if the train is actually going to Barbican. Right. So this is heading to... No, it's not. Alright. It's not going to Barbican. Right, I think I need to hop onto the other side of the station and get to Barbican. Right. I probably need to ask someone how to get to Barbican, because you know London trains can be very, very stressful. Oh yeah, excuse me, I'm going to Barbican. Do you know? Oh yeah, thank you. Right, so like I said, I need to go on another train heading to Barbican. And like I said before, you know, when you're in London, you have to prepare, because if you're not somebody into jumping on train tubes, it can be very scary. Look behind me, it's not easy. Look, that's very steep, right? This is London. This is what you have to go through every day, and I've been streaming all day. I just can't wait to get home to have some proper sleep and then probably do some editing. I can't wait to get home. Let's continue this part of the vlog. So I'm looking for Barbican. Where's Barbican? Barbican. So Moorgate, London Bridge. Where's Barbican here? Moorgate kind of sound alright, but I need to get to Barbican. I can't see Barbican here. I think I need to ask someone because I cannot find Barbican on here. All right, so I need to head to platform 2 to get to Barbican. It's very busy at the moment, so I'm finding my way to get to the train. Oh, sorry. Right, this is London. You have to prepare to hop on trains. I'm using an external microphone, so I think the audio is pretty amazing. Then people just finished work, so you can see it's very busy at the moment. And it's Christmas, so you can imagine how busy London is. I need to get to platform 2, then get my train. Oh my God, the train is here. Oh, no, unlucky. No, it's gone. Oh yeah, I'm on. All right, so I'm getting to Barbican. That's where I'm going. Let's see, where's Barbican? I can't see Barbican on here. Moorgate, Barbican, yes. Right, so I'm on the train now heading to Barbican, which is down here. Where is Barbican? There, can you see that? Yeah, then from here I'll hop on another train heading to Paddington, and then I'll head is a GWR train to Bristol. Then from there I'll be doing a lot of editing overnight. Now you guys are going to enjoy the amazing content of London. Yeah, so let's continue this part of the vlog. So the next stop is Barbican. That's where I'll head off to Montcalm, London. Then from there I'll get my luggage, then return back to Barbican, then get another tube, then heading to Paddington. I think, yeah, then from there then Paddington to Bristol, then I'll get either Uber or bus back home. So I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. I've been in London all day live streaming, and if you've been part of the live stream, I just can't thank you guys enough. It's pretty amazing live streaming from London all day. So I need to hop off now to my next journey. All right. I need to find my Oyster card. Got your oysters, you won't be able to get out. Here's my oysters. Just out. And I'm heading out. And then I'll get to the hotel, grab my luggage, then we can get to Paddington. And then 1 hour to Bristol. All right. Whew. All right, I'm going to flip the camera to show you guys where I started the live stream from earlier this morning. I'm going to walk over, down the tunnel, which I'll flip the camera shortly. Right, this is where I started the live stream earlier today, and I'm just going to walk back to the hotel and then grab my luggage, and then I can start heading to Bristol. This is London. This is London. Yeah. If you come into London, you're not sure where to go, please just leave a comment on the video. If I'm available, I'll answer your comment. I'll give you all the tips you need. Where to go to London, where to have the best time, where to get the best food, where to get nice pictures. Yeah, guys, it's pretty amazing actually. I enjoyed my time in London today, and I'm just going to tell you guys, I love you all. GhanaFuntube love you. It's pretty amazing. I love you. We're hitting 1,500 soon. I know, just about 12 more subscribers, then we can hit that number. So share our videos, like our videos. Let's hit the number. Let's grow as a virtual family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe though. Thank you. Thank you.